How to bold text on Reddit. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, open the Reddit app on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, locate the post where you want to add a bold comment. In case if you are having trouble finding it, you can click on the search icon at the top and type in the keyword to locate a specific post. Once you have found the post, open it and click on the comment icon at the bottom of the post. Then click on the comment box to bring up the keyboard. To make your text bold on Reddit, add 2 stars at the beginning of the text. Furthermore, add the text you want to bold and add 2 stars at the end of the text. Finally, hit post at the top right corner to share your comment with a bold formatting. That's it. You have successfully bolded the text on Reddit.